Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text align center in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I make text align center in this sheet. Now you have to select a cell to align center on text. Now go to home menu. Now you can see here are many alignment options. Now I can choose center alignment. Now you can see I make text align center in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.